Hey everybody, just want to do a quick little review video. This is my 2005 Toyota Tundra SR5 Crew Cab. I've had this truck for about 5 years, been a great vehicle, but I want to do a review on this tonneau cover that I have for it that I bought about a year ago. It is a true export from Truxedo.com. I believe I paid about 300 bucks for it. It has been absolutely outstanding. Can't recommend it enough. A couple things with this. One of the concerns I had when I was going to initially buy a tonneau cover was, is it going to drum at highway speeds? How stable is it going to be? This one has been absolutely tight. Doesn't drum at all at highway speeds. Very solid. It is a little dirty because I need to wash it, but has held up very well. I've got no real discoloration in the vinyl. None of the seams have been affected at all. Everything seems very solid. It keeps the rainwater out. Excuse me. It keeps the rainwater out very well. Comes with all the necessary seals to make sure that everything is going to be tight to keep moisture out. Very easy to use. So this particular one, it's got two latches down here. One is right here. You simply pull down, it will unlock itself. Pull down on the other one here, the whole thing just kind of pops up. It's got a spring-loaded hinge in it. I'll show you how this thing works as far as rolling it up. So it does have Velcro on each side that folds down onto the frame, but you can simply just roll it up. Very easy to use. The Velcro will come loose as you roll it up. And then it's got straps here that are built in. Just lock them down. And you do that on both sides there. I've driven, excuse me, I've driven at highway speeds with this thing rolled up, no problems. It has not, come loose or anything like that. It actually has, unroll it here, it's got four of these poles that sit inside this inner frame that keep this thing stable. Now, I wouldn't recommend putting anything on top of this and strapping it down. It's not built for that, but it does keep it extremely tight when you're driving at higher speeds. One of the things that I did have an issue with on this, super minor issue, easily resolved. When I put these clamps on, that came with the kit, these screws had a tendency over time to back themselves out. So in order to resolve that, I just put some semi-permanent Loctite on there. It's been no problem since then. So that's just about the only issue I've had with it. Everything else has been extremely solid and reliable. Go ahead and close it back up. And it's got this frame on the back, kind of like a Jeep top. And you just stick it down in these channels here on either side and pop it down. It locks itself in place. And close your tailgate. And just go along here and make sure your Velcro is down on both sides. So if you've got a few little wrinkles in this thing, like you can see there's a couple very, very minor ones right here, you can actually just pull this up, pull it tight, and it'll pull those wrinkles out. Overall, outstanding tonneau cover. Can't recommend it enough. Priced right, good quality, and it fits on this truck very well. They have different applications for it, depending on what truck manufacturer and trim level you have on it. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Again, this is the True Export from Truxedo.com. Very good soft tonneau.